What's up, everybody? Big update today. Some exciting changes and a little bit of life stuff. So grab a coffee or maybe your O2 bottle, if that's more your thing, and let's get into it. First up, I'm moving, or rather, I've moved. We've moved to Texas to be closer to my family and, if I'm being really honest, to be closer to cave diving. I've had a great time in Hawaii, but at this point I've probably dove every site about 200 times, and I would really like to get back to doing more cave diving. My family lives in Texas, and it just happens to be a great jumping point to Mexico or Florida. It's kind of a win-win. So this means even more technical dives, more cave diving, and way more teaching, hopefully. Teaching is something that I've been really eager to do a lot more. I love teaching. I started teaching in the Army in 2009, and I realized quickly that I wanted to teach divers as well. So I'm pretty passionate about it, and it's been a minute since I've been able to teach really regularly. Being in Hawaii was part of that problem, so being in Texas means it's a lot easier for me to come to you or for you to come to me if you want to take a class. So if you want me to come to your local dive site and teach side mount, deco, or even a rebreather course, let me know. Or you can come here, dive the Blue Lagoon, or we can meet up in Florida or something. Being in Texas also means that I don't have to be as worried about how long a course is taking. Being rushed because your student has a flight to catch is not conducive to learning. So I'm really excited about being able to take my time a little bit more. Let's talk about the studio. Say goodbye to the old Dive Vibe studio. It served us super well. I had a lot of fun building it. But we are currently in flux. The place we're in is temporary, so we're not going to be building a new studio here. But once we find where we're going to end up, I have some amazing ideas. And I definitely want to open up the comments section. If anybody has any cool ideas for stuff they'd like to see on the set or on the channel in the future, drop that stuff in the comments because I'm brainstorming currently. But for now, since we're not in a small Hawaii home anymore, we have a lot more space. I mean, there's so much room for activities. So I'd say it's a level up. And speaking of leveling up, I have an introduction to make. We are welcoming my wife, Joyce, to the channel. Joyce brings a lot to the table. She is a swim coach with over 20 years of experience. She's been doing it since she was like 13 years old. One thing that I've started to notice about teaching technical divers is it's less like instruction and more like coaching. A good swim coach can look at someone's stroke or how they're swimming, analyze it, and come up with a way to fix any problems or inefficiencies they've got going on. And that's the exact type of stuff that I need to do with frog kicks, back kicks, all kinds of everything, helicopter turns, buoyancy, trim. It's all more like coaching when you get into the technical realm. Don't get me wrong, some of it is still more basic instruction, like DSV closed before it comes out of your mouth, right? But I'm really excited to try and use some of her input to better myself as an instructor. That's something that I've always felt is important, to keep bettering yourself. I think as soon as you feel like you're done learning, you should probably be done diving as well. It's important to evolve. Speaking of evolving, I need to work on a new Sidewinder setup video at some point because I have changed the way that I'm diving my Sidewinder, and I want to share that with you guys. I mean, obviously, I'm diving a new BCD. A lot of people have already noticed that and left me comments like, oh, where's the Katana 2? I still have a Katana 2. I still use it. It's just that a lot of my students are diving X-Deeps. So I want to be as familiar with that BC as possible. So I'm diving it. We'll see after a year or so if I switch back to my Katana 2 or keep diving the XD. I've just hijacked the section where I was supposed to talk about my wife to talk about myself. But anyway, I'm really excited to bring her on board. She's also going to be doing short form content like YouTube shorts and Instagram reels and stuff like that. So if you're seeing more of those, that's her. She's making those. So leave a comment, say hi. And she's also built the website, www.divevibetech.com. So go check that out. And in addition to that, if we ever wanted to do any videos about swimming, she's pretty perfect for that. If you would like to see more videos about swimming or maybe fitness and swimming and how it relates to diving, let me know in the comments. You don't have to be the world's greatest swimmer to be a diver, but being a good swimmer helps a lot, especially when it comes to those Dive Master swim tests, am I right? So what kind of videos are coming? A lot of dive adventure type stuff. Documenting new sites and bringing you along for the ride. There's a lot of sites in Texas that are actually really cool, so we're going to check those out. We're going to be checking out stuff in Florida, stuff in Mexico. Leave me a comment. I am soliciting way too many comments in this video, but leave me a comment if there's some place in particular that you'd like me to check out. It's nice to be able to talk more about the dive sites without being worried about like the locals getting upset with me. I'm from Texas. I am a local. What are you gonna do to me? Also gonna be putting out more instructional type stuff. So stuff to help you optimize your gear setup and your methods, techniques. And of course, we're gonna be doing some cool product reviews so you know whether something's worth your time before you shell out serious cash. And as always, my nerdy ass will be pretending that I'm directing a sci-fi movie the entire time. Why? Because I like it. That's why. The rest of this year and the immediate future holds a lot that I am really excited about. It's going to be an amazing year, and I'm pumped to bring you guys along for the ride. As always, I am eternally grateful to Dive Vibes supporters on Patreon. They make everything we do possible, and if you would like to be one of those amazing, cool, fantastic people that supports Dive Vibe, you can follow the link in the pinned comment below to Patreon and get access to some exclusive content, some more instructional type stuff, and we can bro out and be homies. And I'd also like to thank you for diving with me today. I'll see you in the water.
How the f*** do you turn this bitch off?